Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this solid granny square. You can use this granny square to make blankets, bags, cardigan or pillowcase, or any project you think it can be useful to. To start, I'll make a slip knot. Then I'm going to chain 5. I'm going to join my 5 stitches to make a foundation ring. I'll insert my hook into the first stitch that I made and then slip stitch. For the first round, I'm going to chain 5. Then I'm going to make double crochets inside this ring. I'll make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to chain 2 to make a corner. 1, 2. After that, I'm going to make 3 more double crochets. And I'm going to chain 2 to make another corner. I'm going to repeat again 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'll chain 2 to make another corner. Now here I have 1, 2, and this one 3 corners. So the first 5 chains will act as a double crochet. So here I'm going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then I'm going to slip stitch to join these 2 double crochets with this chain 5. So I'm going to insert my hook into the 3rd chain. So this is the first chain, 2nd chain, and 3rd chain. So I'm going to insert my hook in the 3rd chain. Then I'm going to slip stitch. Now we are done with the first round. To go to the next round, I'm going to slip stitch into this corner. Then I'm going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make 2 double crochets into this same space, same corner. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch for the next 3 stitches until I get to this space. So when I get to this corner, I'm going to make 2 double crochets into this space. Then I'm going to chain 2 to make the corner. Then I'm going to insert 2 more double crochets into this corner. Then I'm going to repeat the same as we did on this side to make 1 double crochet into each stitch until I reach the next corner. Then I'm going to make 2 double crochets in this corner. I'll chain 2 to make the corner. Then I'm going to put 2 more double crochets. Then I'll repeat until I get back to this corner. So when you get to this corner, you're going to make 1 double crochet into this corner, this space. Then you are going to join with this chain 5. Since this chain 5 acts as a double crochet, you're going to insert your hook into the 3rd stitch. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, then I slip stitch. To go to the 3rd round, I'm going to slip stitch into the corner. Then I'm going to chain 5 again like we did in the 2nd round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we put 2 double crochet into the same corner. Then we are going to repeat the same. So for the 2nd round, we have increased each side with 4 stitches to make them 7 on this side, 7, this side, 7, this side, 7. So for the 3rd round, we are also going to increase each side by 4 stitches to make them a total of 11 stitches. So we are going to continue. I'm going to continue. When you get to the corner, 2 double crochets into the corner. Chain 2. 2 more double crochet into the same corner. Then 1 double crochet into every stitch or on top of every double crochet. I'm now at the corner. I'm going to make 2 double crochets into the corner, 2 stitches, then I put 2 more double crochets, then I continue to insert 1 double crochet into every stitch. I'm at the corner. I'm going to make 2 double crochets into the corner, then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, 2 more double crochets, going to insert 1 double crochet in every stitch, now I'm at the last corner. I'm going to insert 1 double crochet into that corner, then I'm going to slip stitch into the 3rd stitch on the chain 5, now we have increased this side, each side with 4 stitches to make this side have 11 stitches, this side 11, this side 11, all the sides 11 stitches. So to go into the 4th round, you're going to just repeat what we were doing, and you're going to increase each side with 4 more stitches. And that is how to make a solid granny square. Thank you so much guys for watching, And if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which colors you're going to try and which project you would like me to try next. Thank you.